Yeah, we talked a little bit about culture earlier because it's really interwoven into everything we do. Trust, passion, empowerment, and humility. Those are the four. And that is what defines who Miller's is and how we operate. Yeah, when we describe Miller's, it's pretty succinct. We're a niche property casualty insurance company that's focused on affordable housing. It's focused on multifamily housing and commercial real estate. That's where we play in this arena. Yeah, that's a word that has as many definitions as people you talk to, but we're pretty specific about how we define it here at Miller's. Success here is about leadership, providing the environment that allows our folks to reach their full potential. We get that right, everything else goes right. Our perspective is employee satisfaction. If it sort of follows the whole idea about what we're about, if we are intentional about making sure our employees are satisfied, then our customers are going to be satisfied. It starts with the employees.
My role here at Miller's Mutual, I like to think of it as more of a customer service oriented role. The title is Risk Services Leader, but primarily I like to be a resource to our customers. If they need information or data or education revolving around loss control, helping them with issues and questions they have about their properties, there's no limit to what I'll do. I think it's very important for Miller's to be involved in the apartment association because we want to really get to know our customers, understand them, and from a risk services standpoint, find out what their pain points are, what their real issues are, so we can address them, get a little bit closer.
In the association, I've been involved with multiple committees, including helping to facilitate the roundtables. The main reason that we participate and are active in the apartment association is to educate the members of the association, to educate ourselves, and to educate other employees at Miller's.
Our strategy, when you would look at our strategic plan, the basis of what we're doing with PA Central is foundational to our strategy because the strategy is pretty simple. It says, look, we have to completely understand how our customers do business. We need to know how they make money. We need to know what's important to them because that is what we're going to use to develop products and services and relationships based on what they value. So the whole thing with Pennsylvania Apartment Association is around, look, we need to go sit, look and listen and understand what's important to them and use that to define what our products, services, and relationships will be going forward.
So as an insurance company at Miller's Mutual, we're in charge of helping people put their lives back together after unexpected things occur. And for that reason, we have formed a charitable giving committee here at Miller's that truly focuses on some safety efforts in our community. It's been, I think, about 3 years now that we have created this fire prevention kit campaign with our charitable giving committee, and we do that over National Fire Prevention Week. This year takes place October 7th through the 14th. So a lot of our employees get together and we assemble about 1,500 of these kits. And this year we have a smoke detector replacement battery, an educational brochure from the National Fire Prevention Association, and some other little things like a fire safety growth chart for kids to kind of keep track of how tall they're getting with some fire safety tips.
I think one thing that's important to the folks here is our sense of being able to give back to the community. We have a giving committee that's made up of employees in the organization. They decide where every dollar we spend goes, but more importantly, they decide where we spend our time. Because at the end of the day, if you're not spending time and you're just writing checks, really, are you engaged? So leadership doesn't make those decisions. That's made by this committee solely. Now, it's aligned with our niche. For instance, we're a big partner with the Red Cross when it comes to smoke detectors. We've donated thousands of smoke detectors, but we didn't just donate them. We go out in the community help install those smoke detectors. You know, if it saves just one life, it's worth all the thousands and the time. So it's really about not just writing the check, but it's doing the work. And we have just a bunch of folks here that are constantly driving the organization to give back to the community.